Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already opened and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You have this sound with a pop-up with share and scroll option, and it does disappear after a moment. Once it does so, you can find your screenshots in your gallery application. Here you want to navigate to albums and screenshot as an album, in which you'll find obviously your screenshots along with also screen recordings. And here's the screenshot that I have just captured. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.